How to back up WhatsApp to Android on Google Drive. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're trying to back up WhatsApp to Android on Google Drive, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up WhatsApp into your device. And once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is head over to the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you do, you should be finding a settings option. Go ahead and tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you should be finding this. Now from this section, head over the option that says chats. And after heading over to chats, you need to scroll a bit. And when you do, you should be finding an option that says chat backup. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it here, you should be finding your Google account. All you gotta do is just go ahead and access your Google account here, the account in which you wanna back up. So all you gotta do is that, and it will be automatically saved on your Google Drive. And you can select how often you want to back up your chats. For example, daily, weekly, monthly, or even only when you tap backup. And that's it. In Android, it is very easy. If you want to back up your chats on Google Drive, you just need to go ahead and select your Google account. So that is it for now. Follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.